this point, let's give a little introduction to where I am. So I went to Muir Woods, and I'm actually not in Muir Woods right now. I'm at Mount Tam State Park. It's like neighbors right next door. So all the big, awesome redwoods are in Muir Woods. It's a very small place actually, and it's very flat. There's a broad walk, lots of people there, and if you just want to look at the redwoods, it probably takes half an hour to walk through Muir Woods. But there are other trails, and some of them leads into Mount Tam, and I'm taking one of them. So you can see, no broad walk, it's just dirt mountain road. So far, I've been hiking for about an hour. This is supposed to be a 4-hour loop, and it's 2 hour uphill, then I hope it's 2 hour downhill. The hardest part so far has been sort of a 20-30 minute stretch where it just went up really steep. You can see right here, it's like relatively flat. The incline, it's not such a big deal. But it's impossible to get lost, I think, because there's only one road. There's one trail. You follow it, and it's supposed to open up, which is where we turn around to another trail that leads back to Muir Woods. A little sad. So far I haven't encountered anything. I've only heard like one bird chirp, seen a butterfly, and some flies here and there. But it's almost deserted of animal life. Couldn't see any fish in the tiny little creek either. Here's Van Wyck Meadow, Bootjack, and I think there's about a third of the way, I think, hopefully, and we're to continue on that way, uphill, I think. Okay, thank God I was kidding about the uphill thing. Apparently we want to go to the TCC trail, so I think we're beginning the descent. And so at this point, let's just switch to some Chinese. Hangan San, obviously. 呢條路開始係叫 Muir Woods， Muir Woods 入邊咧就好平嘅，有地啦，即係佢哋成個地都好靚俾你行。喺嗰度咧就啲好大好高嗰啲紅木樹。如果你想淨係睇紅木咧，半個鐘左右咧就應該睇完嘅，睇晒嘅嚇嗰度。不過你可以繼續行咧就行入去到個山度。所以而家我喺個山入邊。呢條路我揀咗嗰條路咧，個地圖話要差唔多4個鐘，就一個即係圓圈。終點站就會落翻去嗰啲紅木樹嗰度。最難行咧，而家我大概1/3又或者一半左右行過啦。但係最難嗰部分咧，只係得20-30分鐘左右，就好斜咁上山。跟然後其他嗰啲山路咧都好似而家咁樣少少上，跟然後平路，跟然又少少上。個山入邊基本上乜都見唔到，就見到啲樹，諗住可以見到啲雀仔啊，又或者好似有鹿嘅，不過一隻都見唔到，乜都冇，就係見到啲蝴蝶，見到啲好細嘅雀仔，係咁多。同埋呢度啲樹都唔係即係嗰啲好靚嗰啲紅木，所以行呢座山真係得個行字。 同埋紅木嗰度好多人，好多遊客啊，好多即係想睇紅木嗰啲人咧。但係一入山呢度咧，一個人都冇，淨係得我一個，成呢度隻蝴蝶，見唔到。哇！個山入邊人影都冇，係得我一個。不過又唔會蕩失路，因為得一條路，所以你跟住嗰條路行咧，咁就得啦。係唯一啱啱嗰個草細細啲嗰個草地嗰度，先至有得路俾你揀行點樣行。同埋，就算呢個山入邊冇手機信號 ，GPS 都 work， 所以你可以開地圖望住個 GPS 行。因為呢度啲路全部都即係俾人行過，所以咧上網嗰地圖全部都有呢啲路俾你跟住行，所以真係唔使驚蕩失路。There's apparently people nearby. I can hear them talk somewhere above me. So we came from the Bootjack trail to Van Dyke Meadow, TCC trail, and we want to go to Stapleveldt trail. But actually that sign is more important because that's, first of all, not where we want to go. Second, it's blocked anyways. But here we are. We want to take Stapleveldt to Ben Johnson, and we go back to Muir Woods. And 2.5 miles. 2.5 miles. That will probably take 90 minutes to 2 hours. So here we begin our descent back to the woods. We're roughly halfway down Ben Johnson Trail. Apparently there's another trail that starts going up Ben Johnson, and you go to another you go down via another trail called Dipsea, and that's the importance of planning. According to the brochure, the Dipsea trail has more scenic viewpoints, and I could have went down that way instead. And I don't think the hike becomes much longer. Maybe another half an hour to an hour. But Ben Johnson only has, I mean, the trees are still pretty impressive, but it's not quite what you would call scenic. And there are also a lot of people going up this other trail instead. As I come down, I've seen, probably encountered, say about 20 people going up. So this other trail must be quite popular. Maybe next time. When I read the brochure, I was already too far down from the junction that I decided not to turn around. I was maybe half an hour away. Downhill. So far this hike is actually, there's only one strenuous part in the beginning at the Bootjack trail, about 20 minutes uphill, and the rest of it is gentle slopes, nice solid ground. There's one muddy area, it's like 5 steps worth of mud, and there's only one tiny area where the road was blocked. It was a narrow road by the hill, and it was blocked by like a rock or something. So you had to climb up over the rock. And if you slip, then you're screwed. Don't slip. But other than that, pretty simple hike. 而家仲有差唔多1個 mile， 即係2公里左右，要落山。原來有另一條路咧，個地圖教咧就係跟呢條上，跟住落咧就落另外一條，而另外嗰一條咧原來有景點嘅，所以如果我計劃好啲嘅話咧，我其實可以喺即係十字路位嗰度咧落嗰一條，唔落呢一條，因為呢條咧係有啲即係啲樹啊高大靚啦，但係就唔可以話有景點咯。所以如果計劃好啲嘅話，或者下次再嚟嘅話咧，就跟嗰條路行。而嗰條路咧，係可以駁到去最長嘅行路。上網嗰度佢哋個網址教咧，佢哋最長最難行嗰條路咧，就要7個鐘嘅，就行到去海旁嗰度。喺一個沙灘度，但係你唔使駁嗰條路咧，你可以兜翻落去，落翻去 Muir Woods。如果咁樣行嘅話咧，就4個鐘，即係同我呢一條，我而家跟嗰條4個鐘都差唔多。所以如果我諗我駁去有景點嗰條路咧，可能根本唔會即係加多好多時間。